Today we are going to learn how to implement Cloudinary API in your Next.js website. First, let's understand what is Cloudinary and what are the benefits of it. Instead of keeping media files in your static folder of source code, you can upload them on Cloudinary and access them with an API URL. This gives you tremendous flexibility to work with media files. For example, if you want to crop an image, you can easily do it by just adding transformation parameter in Cloudinary image URL, and you can create responsive image which fits all device screen sizes. Cloudinary handles everything related to image editing for you. This makes your job as web developer more easy and fun. Now let's look at the coding side of how to use Cloudinary API in Next.js. I will explain you in very simple way so you will understand the concept and later you can use it the way you want. First, create a Next.js project and open it in VS Code. Now install Cloudinary API for React using npm install inside terminal window. Cloudinary has two types of API, server side and client side API. Here we are installing client side API only. Now open page.js file, which is home page. We have to initiate Cloudinary with your own unique Cloudname ID. You can get Cloudname ID from Cloudinary dashboard after login into Cloudinary account. We will initiate Cloudinary with constructor name CLD. Inside your default page function, we will use constructor CLD to get image URL from Cloudinary server and save it in a variable name myImageURL. Once you get the image URL in variable myImageURL, you can pass this URL to Next.js image component to display image on website. Since we are using Next.js, make sure you update config file to allow Cloudinary URL to be displayed in image component. Now we are ready. Let's run localhost server by npm run command and open the web browser. You can see our cat image from Cloudinary is displayed on web page. This is the most oversimplified way of using Cloudinary API in Next.js. If you want, you can do more modifications to images like decrease image size with lossless quality. Cloudinary can convert image into WebP format just by adding format parameters. We can also add additional parameters to change its pixel width by using resize parameter, and make rounded corners by adding rounded corners parameter, and finally make sure that you import all the necessary functions at the top of the JavaScript file. Now open it in web browser to see final output. You can see how effortless it is to modify, edit and optimize image with the help of Cloudinary. Our original image was in JPEG format with size 596 kilobyte and 3000 pixel width. Rendering such huge image in web browser will be crazy, and obviously page loading time will increase. But here we have converted that same image using Cloudinary API to WebP format and 600 pixel width with image size of just 16 kilobyte. That's how Cloudinary can improve performance of website and give you flexibility to edit, modify image on cloud. If you want complete source code of this, then Git repository is mentioned in this video description. Feel free to check it out. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are interested into software engineering and software coding videos. Have a nice day and bye bye.